what is the global warming for you?
Global warming. Global warming is a change in temperature across the globe. It depends on the gases that are like green effect gases that are emitted to the atmosphere and the earth, so the global temperature elevates.
Yes. And what relation has CO2 with the greenhouse effect?
CO2 is a greenhouse effect gas. It's just that when CO2 is in the atmosphere, it traps the sunlight that enters to the earth and it does not let it out.
Why is CO2 so bad to the environment?
It's because it stabilizes the atmosphere. And CO2 in large quantities can affect living organisms that breathe in oxygen for health.
Okay, and for the last question, what can you do to help fight against the climate change?
Against climate change, for example, you can recycle the 3 R's, but I think the best thing is also to, like, for example, you go to a school in a car, you can like share your car with other people so they don't like go in their car and like to share and stuff.
Okay, so what do you understand by global warming?
Okay, well, if I recall, it's about the production of CO2, and that form a greenhouse effect, and with that, the temperatures are rising up, and in the north, especially in the North Pole, the ice is melting, right? So, and many other, effects attached to this.
Okay, so actually you answered the question number 2, that it was, no, it is okay, it was, what is the relation with CO2, so it is okay. So, the last question, what can you do to help fight against the climate change?
Okay, there are many things we can do, like I only use my car to come to work. The rest of my activities I do it by walking. We carpool with other teachers, with Judith and Manu, so we only use one car. I try to, the trash, I try to separate it, organic, non-organic. What else? I try to not to use too much energy, right? On my house, I don't have fans or anything like that, and I always turn off the lights when I'm not using them. So just try to be aware of the things I do.
Yeah. Thank you, Arlette.
Teacher Luisa, and she's gonna answer some of our questions. Hi, Luisa.
Hi.
What do you think is global warming?
Global warming is the increase of the global temperature that have been around in the last 50 years or more.
What relation do you think has the CO2 with the greenhouse effect?
Okay, the CO2 is a molecule, that is released by cars, industries, and all of that. Okay, so it gets to a layer, it gets into the atmosphere, and it blocks the sun rays of going out. Okay, and that makes the greenhouse effect.
And why do you think the CO2 is so bad to the environment?
Because as it blocks the sun rays, they cannot go out as it was in the past. So that makes the temperature to increase.
Okay, what do you think we can do to reduce the emissions of CO2?
To reduce the emissions, well, we would have to, not to use the cars so often, or maybe use the bicycle more, or walk whenever we can. Also the planes pollute a lot. I know we have to move and we travel a lot, but planes in terms of emission of CO2 are really, really high. So maybe like decreasing the number of flights, that would be a good idea.
Okay. And what do you think you can do to help fight against the climate change?
Well, as a person, what I do is that I walk. If it's like not a long distance, and I also try to use my bike. Not to come to the tech because we are really high here, but if I go downtown and all of that, I use my bicycle. So those are the things I do.
Okay, thank you, Lisa.
Yeah, you're welcome.